Animate your voice in Adobe Express. So let's click on Animate Your Voice right here, this blue button. And look at all the choices you have. You can choose any one of these characters. I'm going to go ahead and stick with my little prickly guy here, and I'm going to leave him on the beach. Love the beach. I'm going to go ahead and click the Enhance Speech so my sound comes out a little bit better from the microphone. And I'm going to click Record. It's going to give me a countdown. Here we go. Now I am recording something, not what I'm saying right now, but I am recording. You cannot hear it. I have up to 2 minutes to do this. Once I'm finished, I'm going to click Done, and the magic of television is going to make this go very quickly. It's never this fast, though. Just be careful.
Hello, my friend. I'm so glad you're using Adobe Express.
That was awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up in the editor because I'm going to do something with this little bit of video. I want to add to this video. So maybe I have a partner, a friend who also wants to use the Animate Your Voice. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to animate another voice. So I'm going to choose a little cat here. I'm going to change the background to this little rainbow one right here. All right. Make sure the enhanced voice is on, and I'm going to click record again. Here we go.
Animating your voice is so awesome.
All right, this time I'm going to download this particular piece of video. So I've downloaded it. Now I'm going to go back into my editor here where I had my little creature, and I'm going to add another video piece. I'm going to go over here to Media, and I'm going to upload from my device. I'm going to find that file, add it, and look at that. Now I've got 2 different people who could be talking. This is awesome. Animate Your Voice is great for kids. They're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Adobe Express.